Today we're diving deep into something truly unique, a concept that strips photography back to its core: light, shadow, and soul. In a world obsessed with vibrant tones and oversaturated visuals, Leica once again dares to go against the grain, literally. The potential release of the Leica Q3 Monochrome promises to deliver a black-and-white photography experience unlike anything we've seen. And while we await official confirmation, all signs point toward a masterpiece in the making. The Leica Monochrom series has long stood as a symbol of intentional artistry. It's not just about removing color, it's about rediscovering essence. The whispers about a Q3 monochrome model are growing louder, and this could be a defining moment in Leica's legacy, and in the future of photography itself. Let's take a step back. When Leica first introduced the M monochrome back in 2012, it was a daring statement, a camera that refused to conform. No color sensor, no filters, just light captured in its rawest form. It was controversial, yes, but also revolutionary. Photographers who used it weren't merely taking photos, they were crafting visual poetry. Fast forward to the Q2 Monochrome, a sleek yet uncompromising tool for modern black and white shooters. It brought together a dedicated monochrome full-frame sensor with a fixed Summilux 28mm f1.7 lens, delivering stunning resolution, rich tonal transitions, and detail that rivaled even color cameras. But now, we may be on the brink of something greater: the Leica Q3 Monochrome. If Leica remains true to its pattern, this new model won't just be a Q3 with color removed. It will likely feature a re-engineered monochrome sensor derived from the Q3's powerful 60-megapixel setup. But here's the key. Without a color filter array, every pixel on the sensor will be able to receive unfiltered light, creating images that are sharper, more detailed, and bursting with emotional depth. This isn't just a filter applied after the fact. This is monochrome photography at the sensor level. Imagine capturing scenes where every shadow has weight, and every highlight breathes with subtlety. We're talking about smooth tonal transitions, from jet black to ash gray, and textures that leap off the screen. The low-light performance is where monochrome sensors truly shine. Without the Bayer array, more light reaches the sensor, enabling cleaner night shots, lower noise, and stunning detail. Street photography, candlelit portraits, foggy morning landscapes. The Leica Q3 Monochrome could transform these into timeless visuals that look like stills from a noir film. And it won't just be the sensor, it's the entire ecosystem that makes the difference. Expect a design built for discretion. Matte black finish, no bright red Leica badge, and minimal external markings. This camera will likely speak in whispers, not shouts, true to the spirit of the monochrome line. Physically, the Q3 Monochrome would likely retain the Q3's solid unibody chassis, a sleek, intuitive design. Expect the return of the tilting rear LCD, perhaps the same high-resolution OLED EVF found in the standard Q3. Controls will likely remain tactile and analog-inspired, making for an immersive experience where you feel truly connected to the moment you're capturing. But here's what sets this camera apart: workflow. The Q3 Monochrome won't be about shooting raw and adding filters later. You'll likely shoot black and white JPEGs straight out of the camera, optimized with Leica's tonal rendering science. Every shot will carry a distinct signature, pure, elegant, and precise. Photographers will appreciate real-time histogram feedback for perfect exposure, a fast Summilux 28mm f1.7 lens that thrives in low light, and zone focusing capabilities that make capturing decisive moments intuitive. With no distractions, your focus is only on light, geometry, timing. That's what Leica's monochrome philosophy is all about. For those who document life on the streets, for artists chasing authenticity, and for visual storytellers drawn to emotion over effect, the Q3 Monochrome could become a trusted companion. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about intentionality. A reminder that in a world filled with distractions, clarity comes from simplicity. So when can we expect this marvel? If we follow Leica's timeline, the original Q2 launched in early 2019, followed by the Q2 Monochrome in late 2020. The Q3 debuted in mid-2023. If the trend continues, a Q3 Monochrome release is likely between mid and late 2025. Leica doesn't follow the typical tech release cycle. It releases products when they're ready, when they're perfected, not when the market shouts the loudest. Now let's talk numbers. The Q2 Monochrome hit the market at around $5,900. Considering inflation and the likely inclusion of advanced internals, new sensor architecture, and Leica's handcrafted precision, the Q3 Monochrome might land somewhere between $6,000 and $6,500. That price point won't appeal to everyone, but Leica cameras never have. They aren't made to serve the masses. They're made to serve the passionate, the devoted, the purists. Owning a Leica monochrome camera isn't just a transaction. It's a commitment to a different way of seeing, a choice to reject the noise of digital saturation and embrace the raw poetry of shadow and light. With a Q3 monochrome in your hands, every frame you shoot has weight, has voice, has presence. But let's be honest, this isn't a camera for everyone. And maybe, just maybe, that's exactly why it matters. The Leica monochrome line has always catered to the few, not the many. To those who believe photography isn't about showing everything, but about revealing only what matters. Shooting in monochrome changes your perspective. It forces you to see beyond color, to seek out contrast, texture, lines, expressions. You slow down. You compose with care. You search for meaning in the mundane. And in an era of fleeting digital trends, monochrome images endure. They linger in your memory long after vibrant reels and filters fade away. Now picture this. You step into a dimly lit alleyway as dusk settles in. The rain glistens on cobblestones. You raise your Leica Q3 Monochrome. No sliders to tweak, no saturation to boost. You compose, you breathe, you click. That image is eternal. Not because it's flashy, but because it's pure. That's the power of monochrome. That's the magic Leica continues to chase. And that's what makes the Q3 Monochrome more than a rumor. It's a quiet promise. A whisper of focus in a world that's too loud. So, would you shoot in pure black and white? Would you give up the distraction of color to see the world in shapes, lines, shadows, and highlights? Let us know in the comments below. Here on Technology in the Future, we're building a passionate community of photographers, dreamers, visual poets, those who look deeper. And your voice makes that vision stronger. If this deep dive into the soul of black and white photography moved you, consider liking the video, dropping your thoughts in the comments, and subscribing to our channel. And if you'd like to support us further, becoming a member unlocks access to early content, exclusive insights, and polls that help decide what we explore next. We don't just chase tech, we chase meaning. And as long as there are stories left to be told, we'll be here to tell them. Remember, in photography, color fades, but light endures. Until next time, keep seeing the world in your own way and keep dreaming in contrast. Thanks for watching Technology in the Future, where innovation meets emotion, and the next shot might just be your most meaningful one yet.